Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off your Snap Map location over from the Snapchat app obviously. So in order to disable your Snapchat location for all your friends over on the Snap Map, the first thing you need to do is open the Snapchat app just like this, and once you've done that you can go over to Map in the bottom right corner of your screen just like this. And once you've done that, in order to actually completely disable your location for all your friends, you're simply going to the top right corner of your screen at that settings icon right here. And what you then simply can do is enable ghost mode. And when you have this enabled, it basically just means that nobody will be able to see your location. And you can simply click on until turned off, and then nobody will be able to see your location. And yeah, that's literally all you need to do in order to turn off Snap Map location over on the Snapchat app. So if you learned something from this video, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.